Okay, so this is going to be a very good tutorial on how you can add pointer events to your simple 3D game objects. So the first thing, let's show you the setup. So you see, I have a main camera, or basically this is a third person or a first person starter assets. Now I have this diamond 3D model here, and what I want is, as soon as I hover over it, maybe let's add another, maybe add a cube. So this cube should get hidden, and when I hover out, when I'm not hovering over it, the cube should be visible again. So for this we need to add an event trigger, of course, but for it to work we need to set it up differently as well. So first of all, you need to have in your main camera you need to add a Physics Raycaster to shoot rays basically. So you add it there. You can define your event layer for basically the layer mask for which objects you want to shoot the rays for. Now we have this diamond, and on this diamond it needs to have a collider as well to register those hits. So let's add a mesh collider for now quickly. Make it convex, and let's see how it looks. Okay, yeah, it's fine. So yeah, the mesh collider is there, and now we need to add an event trigger as well, and be sure that you have an event system as well. So I have this event system in my scene as well right here. Now to this event trigger we would add pointer enter type event and pointer exit. So basically these are for hover enter and hover exit, just like in XR interaction toolkit, any game object. So let's add this cube here, and from now on it's really very simple. Just let me set it up. So as soon as we enter, let's make it visible, and if we hover out, let's make it invisible. Let's hide it for initially, and now let's test it once and for all. So okay, here we are, and if I go hover over it, you see my object is there. Hover out, visible, invisible. So yeah, that's really powerful, and that's cool, right? Okay, so that's how you set up event triggers on your simple 3D models. You add a collider, you add a Physics Raycaster to your camera, and you set up your event trigger and just call your event. So yeah, that's what. Okay, bye, see you in the next one.